I am Kristen Walsh.
My name is Dr. Joe Norris.
I'm a physician assistant specializing in orthopedics.
I'm an orthopedic surgeon that specializes in sports medicine. I've been practicing for roughly 15 years now.
I've been working at Advanced Orthopedics for almost 3 years since I relocated back to North Carolina. I used to play a lot of sports, and there were a lot of injuries associated, not only personally sustained injuries, but injuries in my teammate. And I was always fascinated with the process of the recovery and all other aspects of the injury.
My practice has kind of gravitated towards really two large populations. One is a younger or middle-aged sports population. The other is kind of an older population for replacements of shoulders that has become a very large part of my practice as well. So most importantly, helping patients get better and see their journey happen in a fairly quick fashion compared to other fields of medicine. It just was a natural fit.
I think the reason to choose Advanced Orthopedics is we are an expanding, growing practice. We are in a very convenient location in Leland, easily accessible with same-day appointments. For me, it's important that every one of my patients feels heard and involved in the decision-making of their treatment. I'm extremely proud of our staff here, and across the board, you will receive excellent care.
The first thing a patient should expect is a very warm, welcoming, and kind atmosphere. We are taking new patients and would love to grow this practice. If you're having pain or soreness in any of your joints, your knees, your shoulders, your hips, please call us. We'd be happy to help.